Hello, today we are going to learn how to use the type tools. The type tools in Illustrator are useful if you want to write something in your artwork or if you want to create a graphic design using letters. First of all, you need to click on this icon and you will find the first tool, the type tool. If you want to choose another kind of text tool, you need to keep your mouse pressed on the little triangle on the left of the icon, and you will see all the type tool in Illustrator. Let's start with the first one, the type tool. If you click on the T icon, your cursor is going to change. Now you have to draw a rectangle starting from the top left corner and to the bottom right. This is the area where you can write your text. When you start for the first time a rectangle, simple text, a default text is going to appear inside the rectangle, but you can press the cancel button in order to delete it all. Then you can start finding the text you want to put inside. I choose this one from a website, and you can copy and paste it inside. Okay, now you can adjust the paragraph in different way. If you go to the corner, the bottom right corner of the rectangle, you can change the width of the column and also this vertical dimension. If you select all the rectangle, you can go in the property window and you can change the character with another one, and again, or you can change it from light to regular. You need to select it all and make this bold. Then you can select it again and change the dimension in this way. If you have a very long text, I will show you, copy and paste it, the same text again. You will see that now the text is hidden. You cannot see all the text inside the rectangle because the rectangle is too small. You can just click on this in the bottom part of in the control point of the bottom part of the rectangle and drag it to the bottom. So it will show you all the text. The text is very, very long, so you can decide to create two columns, and you want the text to flow from the first column to the second one in an easy way. You just need to click on this little square, red square here, where there is a plus symbol, and design another rectangle. Now you can see that the text starts here and flows in the second one. Also, if I make some changes, this is very useful when you design something like a book or a slideshow presentation. Thank you.